That's the shot. How did Charlie die? Well, he was just standing in the middle of the road taking photographs of his motorbike, and the car didn't see him and hit him. But he got some cool photos. I was supposed to be doing these POVs with my iPhone strapped to my chest because it's a better angle, but I'm not planning. That's me done now. Right, let's get on the road again. And I think I'll stop at this gas station later when it's dark as well, because this is super aesthetic, and I think with those neon lights on at night, and hopefully there's a bit more light in here, it could be a cool spot. Just turn my engine off casually on the road, which is probably not a great move. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Right, before we lose too much light, because it is blue hour, we've got the Sony a7iii with the Sigma 85 f1.4, and we are shooting full manual. I'm going to put my ISO, let's try it at 6400 for now, because it's a f1.4 1/60th of a second. This is the angle. So there is a, if you're watching this video, you're probably into photography and cars and stuff like that, and motorbikes. There's quite a popular YouTuber called North Borders who's running a photo competition at the moment, which is just good photos of cars or motorbikes. I'm just going to move the bike around a bit here. Yeah, so the plan is to try and capture something that I can enter into that competition. I'm going to put on the 24-70 f2.8 from Sigma, and we're going to take off the polarizer that's on there now, and I have a nice black mist filter. It should look pretty cool with these lights. And we can get a little bit closer to the subject. Shooting at f2.8. Okay. I think we need to roll the bike underneath the sign. Let's roll the bike back slightly. This is the shot. It's okay, but I think I need a tripod, and I think I need, if we try and rest the camera here, I don't want to go above 2000 ISO, so it looks good with the black mist filter. See if we can do it handheld. Yeah, that's looking pretty sick. So I'm just kind of spraying a bit here, putting it on the bottom third. Let's get a bit more of a side aspect. That's pretty cool. It's actually pretty cool what we've seen in general. Okay, settings for all these photos so far have been 1/13 of a second, f2.8, ISO 800. Trying to keep that ISO down as much as possible, although this Sony can deal with. So let's just bump the ISO up to 1000. Alright, I'm pretty happy with that. Oh, I kind of just want to keep taking photos. I really like this spot. Although, like I said at the beginning, it'd be nice if there were a few more LEDs. Yeah, it'd be nice if there were a few more kind of LED strips around it. Although, it's just pretty cool anyway. Lovely. So if you like these photos and you like these edits, then they're edited with my presets, which you can't buy because I haven't even thought about setting that kind of thing up. But at some point I'll make some sort of preset pack. For now, if you want good presets, then go to North Borders and buy his. Not that I have them, but I'm sure they're good. His photos are sick. Please subscribe, like the video, and there will be more to come.